Kartel collect 77k the month, yeah. And I can say that's a whole lot of money, fam. I'm here if you don't play it alone, the man charge 3 grand US. Let that sink in. The man charge just your collect the month, yeah. 3 grand US. And a film channel created in Jamaica. But you know who channel never create, yeah? Alkaline. And that's probably why this is not a bash now. Remember, I don't explain that. So when a channel created over the US, you tend to make more. But Alkaline lead by a landslide with 215k US monthly. And it's ironic that last month he make a Vybz Kartel and make this month 77k. And you can tell that this is well deserving because the boss been a put in the work. He become very consistent in the mid part of the year. And that's why I tell people it don't make sense to bash an artist, because imagine you a bash him and the man collect this monthly. And I him said to say they give a L if you call him name. Just start the fuck when you're not conversative. And in a business who want to rate him, just make sure so not underpay him. Well, the boss not underpaid.